I'm so sad. I made a video and YouTube won't let me upload it because it's too long. But all that was very important information that y'all needed to know. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Let me retry. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, OldSchoolCraft. I'm a little depressed because that happened, but whatever. So, hey guys. So today what we're going to be doing is, if I didn't do this, sorry. Today what we're going to be doing is, I'm going to be packing for a trip to Canada for February break. Please like and subscribe to the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. The most interesting part will be probably that, the most interesting part will probably be that, that I'm secretly packing stuff to decorate our hotel room with, which is going to be really interesting because I think our hotel room is going to look pretty boring. Yeah. So I already packed a little. I'm taking some stuff out. That's why. Yeah, I have this. The best. And yeah. But so what I am doing is I'm just gonna I'm just packing with you the toys that I'm gonna bring, because or else the video might be too long again. So first I have to unpack everything I did, because I was making this video and then they said it was too long, even though I told you all about how I think I have ADHD. And the reason it was so long is because I think I have ADHD. So, I got distracted. Yeah. Really distracted. So, alright. So, yeah. Sorry, that was a bad intro. Anyway, so, yeah. No sound effects today, sorry guys. Alright, so, the first thing I'm gonna probably pack is this chest because, sometimes my parents want me to pack board game stuff. Oh, yeah. And this candy, let me pack it first. No candies left. I'm also bringing this, not because I like it, but just because, to give it to the people who work at the hotel. And I think it might be very interesting. They'll be like, oh, you're a sweetheart. And be like, and then when I go back, I'll be like, yeah, I am a sweetheart, even though I didn't even like that, so it didn't really make a point to me. Like, if you have something you don't like, might as well just give it away and just be like, yeah, I'm so nice, and I'm giving it away to you because I'm, so nice. So, if you have a choice, I would choose that. Alright, so, got this forward. Next, I have something exactly like it. I don't want to smush my candies, but I probably am. Which is kind of a bummer. So, I'm going to put them into a different pocket. Alright, got this one. So, yes. Next, I got, Uno, mini Uno that I got for Christmas. It says, Uno Go, pocket-sized cars for on-the-go play. I'm very bad at reading. Let's see. Confirms to the safety requirements. Well, that's small. There's nothing interesting. I have ADHD, see? I think I do. I just started reading this, so, yeah, that's one way. Yeah, I think I'm talking about that too much. Probably I don't just want to have it. Anyway. Next! Right. Oh, yeah, I didn't show it to you guys. Next, what I have is, I got this. So, it's a bucket full of all my mochis. If you stay tuned until the end, I'll introduce you to all of them, which will be really fun. So, please watch till the end. And then next, you're going to be very interested in what I have in store. Right. Next, I have this thing, Okay. Next, I have this one. That was a bad sound. This is like a fidget caterpillar, whatever you guys call it. That face. We all know that there's no innocence behind it. Now, I got some slime. It's got cotton candy cloud slime. I really like it. I got it from Five Below. It is so good. I really like it. But don't let them trick you. So you buy it and it comes out as like pink and blue slime, but they're not separate, so you mix them together and it gets this color. It's periwinkle, and I love it so much. They could have just left it periwinkle. They didn't have to make that big of like that slime. I just love this slime so much, so I'm recommending you buy it. Cotton candy. Remember, I got from Five Below Cotton Candy Cloud Slime Gloop. Pre-made and ready to play. This is like the best slime in the universe. I love it. I love it. It's great slime. It's really great slime. Next, I have this ball, and I honestly have no idea why I got it, a tennis ball. I have no. That's kind of cool. Did that look cool? Stop doing that. Anyway, yeah, it's a tennis ball, and it's a very special tennis ball. I got it from my grandma's friend. Something just popped up. I got it from my grandma's friend in Florida. So yeah. He's like family now, but not really. Just a friend that we've known for a long time. So my grandma's friend. Yes, because he's like a perfect, beautiful tennis player, amazing tennis player, like awesome tennis player. But yeah, with his lessons, he can like. Because of his lessons, my 4-year-old cousin is like almost better than me because he's like had more lessons and stuff like that or whatever. Almost better than me. I'm great. Just hit me in the head. Right. Next we have this. But I went to a different pocket. Alright, next I want to show you all the decorative stuff I have. First, I have this is not decorative stuff. I just love it. His name is Buddy. Hey, what? I need a minute. You so fluffy. He's my perfect. He's so cool. I love him. His name is Buddy, like Buddy the Elf. Hey, Buddy the Elf. Wait, I actually have a picture of Buddy Elf. You guys want to see? He's just so cute! Oh my gosh. Look at this little guy. He's softer than you think. Sorry, my dad's playing piano. He's as good as piano as that person's good at tennis. He's so cute! So you know that video of me and my dad drawing unicorns? If you haven't watched it, watch it now. It's very interesting. I was so young back then, a few months ago. Just imagine my dad by himself and then playing piano for 8 hours every day. I can't. Hold on. I need a nap. And actually, after, I don't want this video to be too long again. After I finish making this video, I'm just gonna lay on the floor for like 10 minutes, even though we are late to drive to Canada. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Did I forget to mention it? Wow, this is my charger. We have to drive to Canada for 5 hours. Yes, I'm not very excited, so I packed blueberry muffins and snacks, of course. I don't want to drive 4, 5, or 6 hours. I feel betrayed. Okay. So I'm just gonna, I'll pack my snacks later. So now I'm gonna show you my decorations. But first I just want to show you, all this stuff is blue. Let me tell you what, I love Stitch. It may not all be Stitch themed, but I love Stitch. You want to see my wallet? Stitch. You know what? If this was even allowed, I would only buy Stitch dollar bills. Just be just imagine this as a dollar bill. I would just be like, here you go. That'd be very interesting. I literally just took all the money out of my wallet. That was very annoying, though. I don't know why I did that. Right, next, this is something that you put on shelves and stuff. In my room, it was on my bookshelf. It was kind of for Christmas, but now it's just for the winter theme. Did I forget to tell? This reminds me, in Canada, it's going to be -7 degrees. So, yeah. it's kind of bad for people who like, are kind of allergic. Oh no, time's almost running out. So yeah, like who are allergic to cold. Yes. It's so cute. It's like heavy at the bottom. Anyway, yeah. Next, this is it. It's like you hang it across your wall. I had it on my bedroom, but it didn't really match with my room. Anyway, I would love having a Stitch-themed bedroom. No, why didn't I decorate my room like that? I'm so mad now. We just moved in, and I could have decorated my room like. When I'm adult, I don't care if it will look weird. I'm decorating my room Stitch-themed, like in college, and even when I have kids, they're gonna be like they have kids, and once they grow old enough, one day they'll go into my room. They'll be like, "Wow, Mom, you got me a new room. It's so big. How did you know I love Stitch?" I'll make them love Stitch. I'll be like, "Sweeties, this is my room." They'll be like, "Can I sleep with you for a few more years?" She's like, "Yes, I feel the power." So yeah, you just hang it across your wall, and it kind of looks like this. It's just like. Actually, this wasn't actually made for it. It was made for like knitting and stuff. But I'm so confused on how to use this. So we just took it. And then last but not least, I'll just put this away later. Just gonna keep it in a pile right there. Hopefully I didn't lose any money. And this is like my Stitch pillow. It's so soft. You guys, if there was a camera still watching me after I finished making this video, that would kind of be creepy. But this is literally me, just like after the video. This is probably what I'm gonna do. Just gonna sit there, laying there, just be like, I'm so glad I went over this in my YouTube video. I feel so comfortable, even though I'm like 20 minutes late to go on the drive to go to Canada. I'll put this in the other bag later. Oh, my favorite thing I forgot to show you. I have a finger puppet. Guess where I got it from? Guess. It was as a Valentine. So confused, but whatever. I love it so much. Wait, was this kind? Yeah, this came out as a Valentine. So cute. Mwah. Oh, he kissed me. I think it's a he at least. Wait, actually, guys. What should we name? I'm so glad you guys were here for the special occasion of naming. What should we name him? Yeah, to him. What should we name him? Yeah, to him. What should we name him? Look at the face and tell me. No. Camilo, Sebastian, no, none of these. Robert. Look deep into his eyes. Tell me, what's his name? 1 minute. Oh no. This video is almost too long. I have to really find his name fast. Can't rush, though. This is very exciting. I can't think of it, guys. It might be Camilo. So in my next video, make sure that you guys, make sure that you watch more videos, just because in one of them there will be a name reveal for him. Actually, maybe one video should just be made for the whole name reveal. It will be a short video, but you guys have to go and watch it. I'll probably make it when I get back from Canada, because I'm literally supposed to leave 10 minutes ago, but we're a little off time. It's matter. We don't have a flight to catch or anything. So yeah, there we go. Okay, I have exactly 1 minute, so I'm just gonna go. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye! Make sure you watch the name reveal. It might be Camilo, just saying.